Is your snoring partner driving you mad? Does your snoring partner refuse to do anything to stop their snoring, leaving you so tired that you can barely function? A lack of sleep doesn't just leave you tired and frustrated, but leads to some major health problems as well. That's why I'm going to sleepthroughsnoring.com. Not only will I get a good night's sleep, but will improve my health and save my relationship.
Don't worry, guys, we know that even though your partner says they don't snore, they really do. So we've got you covered. Book your free strategy call today.